Have you been daydreaming about owning that waterfront property, fishing on the lake, sunbathing on the beach, launching your boat from your private pier? Have you considered the downside of waterfront living, such as flooding and carrying flood insurance? Here is what home buyers should know before purchasing property in a flood zone. Believe it or not, every property resides in a flood zone. Knowing the difference between flood zones, whether flood insurance is required, and what the risks and costs are will help to determine if that specific property is for you. FEMA, or the Federal Emergency Management Agency, created various flood zones to determine the likelihood of flooding. High-risk zones A or B require insurance and are prone to flooding. Homes located in moderate or low-risk zones B, C, or X usually aren't required to purchase flood insurance, though flooding can occur. A standard homeowner's policy does not cover flood damage. Lenders may require flood insurance before closing on a high-risk property. The cost of flood insurance policy varies based on the following: elevation, structure, and proximity to water. Homes outside of high-risk zones pay between $300 to $600 per year. Before choosing a policy, do your research. Private insurers offer quick quotes and many times lower rates than the National Flood Insurance Program through FEMA. If you need help checking a flood zone, contact your local insurance agent. If you need a referral, I know several outstanding agents in our area. Give me a call at 410-978-0639, and please share this with your network. Thanks for jumping with Julie.